If you're struggling with gum disease, tooth decay, or any other dental issues, you must see this. A revolutionary finding has dentists scratching their heads in disbelief. Believe it or not, people that tried this restored healthy teeth and gums. This simple 15-second morning ritual flush took us all by surprise and has now helped over 53,000 Americans reclaim their oral health without needing painful dental procedures. What's even more remarkable is you can do it from your bedside after waking up. The results are nothing short of a wonder. Jerry Perkins, a 52-year-old from Seattle, says his own dentist started using this method himself after seeing the improvement he'd had in only 5 weeks. The ritual is going viral and has already been featured on NBC, Fox, and ABC. Sadly, the greedy dental industry giants are trying to get it taken down, so tap below now to see this special free presentation that reveals a 15-second ritual before it gets taken down.